I say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another fabulous video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Kenisha says, and of course I'm your girl Kenisha. So today we're doing something a little bit different, right? Today we want to talk about getting it. Go get off your ass and get what you want in terms of whether it be a career path that you want to try, whether it be that you want to have another baby, maybe your first child, maybe that house, that car, maybe you see that fancy blouse that you want to treat yourself to. Just go get it. Just get up. What is holding you back? Maybe it's something you want to try for a very long time that you haven't gotten a chance to because you got pregnant early or you were in school. I was having a Zoom meeting with my girls. We're trying to do a reunion. Almost 20 years we're out of school. Can you believe that? I'm that old. We were talking about some things in the yearbook and all these ambitions and everything that we were aspiring to be. And most of us haven't even done it. Like, we haven't even reached or turned that route at all, including myself. I wanted to be a bank manager. I mean, I was a manager, but not a bank manager. I don't think I still want to be a bank manager. But my point is, there are things that we have laid down for a very long time for different reasons. We put it down and we say we're going to get it, we want to do this, we want to do that, and then we find other setbacks or other excuses as to why we don't do it. Right now, this is something that I have learned over a couple months, especially in this COVID time when everybody's locked away and we have a lot of time to really think about things and nothing but just be creative, right? I've learned that there is nothing better than the future, because the days are only passing and eventually you're gonna reach a point where you literally can't do anything because you're either too old to do it, or a matter of fact, I'm gonna take that back. You're never too old to do anything. I'm gonna take that back. But things happen and we don't want that or live with regret, say what if, you know what I mean? So YouTube is one of my things, right? Where I always wanted, from ever since I was in Jamaica, seeing all these people doing these videos, and I'm like, I'm gonna do it. And anybody who followed me on Facebook for such a long time or been my friend on Facebook know I've been saying I'm gonna do some videos. What do you guys think? Da 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 da. Never do it, never. And let's say everything happened for a reason. Since I the whole job thing and whatever, and I've been home, I've been pushed towards, I'm like, my sister-in-law, people have been saying, like, why not do it? Like, you're at home now, it's a perfect opportunity. You have no excuse. Go ahead and do it. So here I am. This video is all about creating an office space, right? If you're at home, you're still not working, going back to work yet or whatever, not in the space. Well, I have gone ahead and to do a little office space in my basement. And so I'll be showing you from scratch how I did it, how I created that space. I want you to tell me what you think. Put your comments, in the comment section, what you think. If you think I did good, if you think I did bad, what you think I need to take away, add, whatever it is, right? And with this office, my aim is to go into a lot of things that I've been thinking about. And there are a lot of things running through my mind because I'm an Aquarian, if you never know. And as an Aquarian, we're always thinking up here, just always matter of thing. That sometimes we go like crazy because we have so many different ideas and so many different things thinking about and so many things we want to do all at once. But then sometimes we procrastinate and kind of push back things. When we have a project doing, we go head on, and we don't stop. We give it everything that we have all the time. So now, creating this office space, I have little ventures that I want to dive into and little journeys that I want to embark on. And this is the first step towards it. And I'm trying to live out all those little things that I keep on pushing the back burner because I had baby early, because I had too many kids, because I got married, because I moved to a different country. So all those things just always push them back, So now it's like no excuse. No excuse for me, no excuse for you. Get up, do it, whatever it is that you want to do. So I have, and you'll be seeing it because I'll be sharing these things with you, just not jumping at right now. Okay? I'm keeping it like how Jamaicans keep visa, right? So my people will go hush hush until the things start go through, and then I will be sharing it with you. But I'm so excited of certain things that I'm planning on doing, and I'm also excited if in sharing it with you guys, you come along on my journey. So let me know what you guys think about this video. If you haven't done so, like, subscribe. And if you're a new viewer, if it's the first time that you're joining my channel or watching my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for coming over here. Don't leave. Subscribe, like, and share, okay? A lot of videos coming every Sunday, different things. You don't know what's gonna happen, so you have to tune in. So let me know what you think about this. Today, I'll be opening up some stuff I got from Amazon. I'll be redoing my my basement. So I moved in this house maybe a year and a month ago. We purchased the house and moved in, so I still haven't gotten it how I want it, like perfection yet. So I am trying to get like an office space done, and this is in my basement that we're entering. It's not furnished yet. We just have my husband's little music set up over here. We play music on Sunday daytime and stuff. We have a TV on the wall. The kids come down here, come play with them keyboard or whatever not. And this is actually where in the medical gym setup. I haven't organized that over there yet, so I need to have that set up. And then I really wanted an office space when I was actually purchasing a house, and I eventually settled for this house, and I said I want to make it my own. So I have this little section here that we're gonna use. Why not? I'll make it into a little office space. So I have already purchased some stuff from Amazon and have purchased some stuff also from Family Dollar. So open those stuff and tell me what you think, and then again we're gonna see how the final thing comes out, right? So let's do it. Alright, so we're gonna open the first item. So this is just some picture frames, and I like it. I bought one set for the house already, and I really liked it, so I did it again. So picture frames, again, these are from Amazon. Okay, this is another set of picture frames. Again, also purchased these for the house already. Liked them, really like them. And so I did another set. Really cute. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, these are small. These are so small. These are like some little plaques or hang up, or you can have them just stand just like it is. This one say, I still remember the days I prayed for the things I now have. I do remember those days. Still praying for other things. So yeah. Because I'm girly and I can't go without my pink, which is one of my favorite color. Do what you love. And that's what I'm doing with you guys. Talking. Do what I love. YouTubing. If I work, I'm doing it. gonna make this already. I'm gonna make this already. These are some vases or plants, big artificial plants. They're supposed to be coming out looking like something like this. Can you see it? There should be, no mind my hand, mind the drawing first. Let me just come up for the road. You can sanitize like when I support my hand. Just go pick up my son a while ago. So don't mind, I want to make up my hand something there. My face look. Can't see but just turn up on my face. But yeah, these are the vases. Apparently we have to make them. They come with some stickers and artificial leaf and plant itself, and gotta put the stickers on, I guess. So now I have more work on top of work to do. I'm gonna could just make it to me or whoever I'll sell it. Jesus. So those are some little plants. Some other picture frames. These are some kind. Again, I thought these were gonna be bigger. Is that the combination? I got 3 thingamajig. One says work hard. You see it? Stay positive and keep dreaming. Things are very cute on the wall. But I thought again they were gonna be bigger, but hey, gotta make do. My nephew, watch this. I kinda stole your idea. I thought this would fit perfectly underneath this I purchased. A little plastic container to keep other stationery and files and stuff like that. I also have a little, if you can't see, the top part can have some little, you know, little organizing section you can just put stuff on. I got some stuff from Family, my favorite place, a big place. They always have some really nice stuff up there. So I went up there and I got some. So I don't know where I want to put them yet, but I really like them. So this $5. This says there is no song louder than love. Isn't it cute? It's cute, right? I saw her and I'm like, hell yeah, mama. I gotta get you. So I got 2 of these. $8 for those. Yeah, 2 of them. Look on the side of this stuff. Now visualize it right so. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. This is a cute little clock. I'm gonna put right there in the middle as well, and then put these 2 thingy around it. Can you visualize that? Yeah. Again, to match the outcome, gold, the gold thing and the glove thing. See? I'm working in the gold and the silver. I didn't realize that, don't you have to be a visionary. And last but not least, I should have 2 of these. Okay, I got, you know, this little thingamajig here. That says, with God, all things are possible. Matthew 19, verses 26. And then this is just like a little calendar box. I really haven't opened it yet, so let's see what this calendar box is all about. Let's see this time. So it works with batteries. Works with batteries, AAA batteries. On and off. So I guess you have some little thing here. Just put it in there and it lights up or whatever not. I'll figure it out. I normally do. Now it's for the big stuff, the desk. And like I organize all my stuff. I put them together myself. Most of those coincidence appear and put up. Right? So I have my hammer and my screwdriver and all these good things to put up and put them together. Just to test. Obviously this has to be put together. so you're not gonna get the true feeling of it. And there's a lot of pieces and them very heavy. And as much as we start with some exercise, I feel like the strong for it. So I feel like I'm not gonna take them off until I'm actually ready to put them together, which I might just do tonight anyway. So these are pieces. It's supposed to be like an L-shaped thing. Guess you'll see how that turns out when I finish with it. That's really heavy. Alright, so I'll put that to the side for a second. Then this is the chair. actually recording for the very first time in my office space. I like it. So this is my little getaway from all the kids. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Kanish says quote for the day. You're never too old to try something new, right? Always just get up and just go towards it because you don't want to live with regrets. Don't be that person to, just live wondering what if. Let's do this instead. What if you go and do it now, right? And see all those benefits that you can reap, all right? So until next time, guys, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for sad. Say what you feel for sad.